I'm going to show you how to create a Subway account and actually earn rewards. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to get the Subway app if you don't have it. You can also do this on the website, but the app's significantly easier, first of all. And once you've actually opened up the app, you can actually continue as a guest, or you can sign in or join now. I'm going to click on join now because you have to join if you do want to earn these rewards points so that you can actually get free sandwiches at Subway. Once you've actually completed And once you've put in your email, phone number, and stuff like that, you simply want to check on these boxes to actually receive emails so that you can get the discount rewards, and simply click on Join Subway MVP Rewards. And when you do this, you'll simply be applied into the reward system at Subway. And once you've actually created your account, you'll be in the app like this, where from here, you simply want to click on Rewards, where you can actually see your points. I have 250 at the moment, but every 400 points is about $2, so 200 points is $1. So once you've done that, you can actually just redeem them just by clicking on the option called Redeem Rewards, which will be under My Rewards, but currently I do not have enough points to actually get any rewards, but that's where you redeem them. And as you can see, we can see the deals on the screen right here, just a bunch of exclusive discounts and ways to get more points. And yeah, that's all you do to create a Subway account.